Hey, what's going on, fellow YouTubers? This is All Things Tech. Today I'm going to make spaghetti, pretty lean spaghetti. I'm going to go over some of the ingredients, how I make my spaghetti. It's pretty simple, maybe 15 minutes or so. So the first ingredient I get is the beef. I do 90-10. You can do 93-7 or 85-15. I do 90-10 because it still keeps the flavoring. It's not too lean. That's what I use. I get the pot, I turn the heat up all the way. So on this, in this case it's 9. I can't believe it's not butter. Give a nice base to it. It's not as intense as real butter. So I just let it, I cook with a fork, by the way. So I use this, I smear it around in the, let it melt in the pan. Let it sit a little bit, get the beef opened up. This is about a pound of beef, ground beef. Pound of ground beef, roughly 100 grams of protein. Break this in there. Of course, I have my water running on another slot pending for the pasta. I'm using angel hair on this. This one is going to be half cut angel hair. Cooks a lot quicker. You're in a rush than spaghetti or fettuccine. I'm going to be putting butter instead of oil in there as well, just so that won't stick. It's not that time right now. I'm going to let this heat up a little bit. About this much butter. I can't believe it's not butter. And then the marinara I use is the Bertolli, the organic olive oil, basil, and garlic. Really good stuff. So with this cut in half, you have to worry about the size of your pot being big enough or breaking it in half. Put it up in here. Probably like half of this container. Maybe it's about, I believe, half would be 4 servings. 4 servings. Each serving is about 200 calories. If you want, you can cook the whole thing. Right there. Use your fork. Spin it in the circular motion. Let it do its thing. Cooks a lot quick. I do about 6 to 8 minutes, depending how much al dente you want it. Or a bit of salt. Come back to this guy. The beef. You really want to get it smashed so that you can have the meat sauce feel to it. You don't want these big chunks. I mean, you can, but I take the time to really push down on the beef and then start breaking it apart. The leaner it is, the hardest to separate. If you get the 80-20, the thing just breaks apart all over the place. And of course it's greasier. If you look on the pan right now, there's not a lot of fat residue. It's leaner. Turn it down a bit. So I do this. I'm gonna add some spices after I get this spread out a little bit evenly on the pan so the heat can hit the meat evenly. I go over to my little seasoning rack and I usually do some Italian spice, Italian seasoning. Let this guy fly up a little bit. Alright. There's some basil right here. And from there, of course, you want to put your pepper. salt. Of course, you can add it. I cook a little lower, like I don't use a lot of salt, so you can just add it, or whoever's eating it can add as they need it. I don't cover it. I'll let it cook and start evaporating. That way, I can put the sauce in once I feel that the meat is cooked to how I like. Pasta turn a bit. Let it swirl. Just up a little bit more when the set temperature medium high. Just the quicker way to smash this, but like I just use what I got. I get I let this dry up a little bit more. And then the meats that's still a little red, try to get them, try to break this apart. So you can actually have that meat sauce. Again, it's harder to get them to break apart when there's not a lot of fat. The meat gets tougher as it cooks. So just sit in here. So this guy's about to be done. About another minute, and then I'm gonna turn the temperature down, maybe 6 or so. The sauce. Put it around here. Once this is in for about 30 seconds, I drop the heat even lower so they can start shimmering. I let the meat and the sauce start to blend together for a couple minutes as the meat starts soaking up the pasta sauce. I don't like it overly liquid, so get a medium. If you like it more saucy, then you can add the whole jar. I try not, I like it like about this texture. You know, you can cook with mushrooms and tomatoes, fresh sliced tomato and all that, but this is for a quick meal. Sauce is very technically. Drop it probably down 2 just so it won't boil and pop everywhere. This tomato sauce get hot quick. And then as far as the pasta, I'm gonna leave the camera on this guy, but looks like it's hot enough. Let me see. So what I usually do, I find like one of these guys and pick it up, pop it out. Feels good. Breaks pretty easily. And again, this thing's on here, so it doesn't take as long to cook. Turn the stove off. Stir this a little bit. I don't want to splash everywhere. And I get a drainer to strain the actual pasta. Here, need to do the dishes. Had a tough weekend, too much drinking, running over cold water. Put back in the pot. Run back over here real quick. Drop it on the stove top. How much pasta you want. Like that. Mix this up a little bit. Scoop up the pasta. Well, scoop up the meat sauce. Put it over the pasta. meat sauce over spaghetti. Well, thank you for watching. This is All Things Tech. Subscribe if you haven't. IG, All Things Tech. Facebook, same thing. Stay tuned for more videos of everything and anything today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.